Hi guys, we're the Disney Sisters. I'm Big Disney Sister and this is Little Disney Sister. And today we're going to open up Play-doh surprises. Now Little Sister, which Play-doh surprise do you want to start with?
This one.
Okay, well let's do it. You want to open it? Let's open it away.
We have another one.
Another one? This is our first one. Look at this. We have a tender heart Care Bear. Look at his big red heart. And he is brown, or tan actually. Isn't he cute? Okay, let's put him right there. And let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness! Is it Princess Sofia from Sofia the First?
Yeah, so cute!
Look at her! Look at her dress! Isn't that pretty?
And she starts to move.
Yeah, she moves.
She's just
that.
like my other princesses.
And she sits.
Look at my other one.
Look at how pretty her dress is.
What do you want to do next?
Let's do this one.
Yeah, let's do that one. Oh, it looks like
Who is this?
a good Hello Kitty.
Yeah, it's a yellow Hello Kitty. Look at, you can see her bow and her cute little eyes. Oh, I think she's winking.
You want me to start this?
Hold on.
Right now.
We're doing this one. Let's see who's in here.
Oh,
Who is this?
Amber.
It is Princess Amber, you're right. And what's Princess Amber from?
Sofia the First.
Yeah. Are they sisters?
Yes, they are.
And look at Amber's pretty green dress.
Let's just set them down.
Let's sit them down so they can play together. Oh. Let's lay them down. Now let's do this one.
Yeah.
Look, it has little hearts and a candy and a flower on it.
Let's take it off.
Okay. Let's see what's, oh, look. It's a container.
Should we open it?
Hold on. Let's get all the Play-doh off it first.
Oh, we got Mater's tail.
It has
Mater.
Friends to the Finish with Lightning McQueen and Mater. Oh, look who it is. It's Princess Ruby, Sophia's friend. Look at her pretty orange and yellow gown.
Let's just push it down right there.
Well, let's do the last one. This one has a gummy bear and a flower, a heart, and a crescent. Let's take them off. Let's open the box.
We got another container.
We got another one with Mater and Lightning.
What is this?
And it's Jade. Isn't she one of Sophia's friends too? Oh, look at all of them. Aren't they pretty?
Yeah.
Look at Jade's purple gown. Oh, and she has a little apron. And look, she has a bow. Look at how pretty they are. And there's Sofia with her pink gown and of course her amulet. And there's Princess Amber with her long hair. And there's Princess Ruby with her orange and yellow dress. And look at Hello Kitty. She's yellow. And then Tenderheart. What a great surprise!